Hey guys, this is my second package of That Spider-Man booth comic books. I got some a week ago or so, and I picked up some nice hits. The Spider-Man, Venom number 7, Justice League number 1, Amazing Spider-Man with Carnage, X-Men with Emma Frost and the Carnage, and Infinity Crossroads, and an X-Men Blue, and a couple other fillers. They're all really good. I'm really digging the books out of this company coming out of California. So today, I came home after a 12-hour day on the road, and I found this. Not the same boxes that the other ones came in. This one's a little bit bigger. So, I might have gotten something pretty nice out of this, but I'm not sure. I gotta find out, man. It's crazy. So, there's bubble wrap. So that's always a good sign. I got it, guys. Sorry, but not sorry. I got the grand prize. This is just awesome. Here. So nice. 7.0. Return to Doc Ock. Oh, there's my Transformers. Pretty awesome. That's it, guys. I won. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I couldn't be happier. Like, I'm lost for words. So, JPG is going to get a big thank you from me on Instagram later. And now, on with the rest. I feel like Peter boxes, we're back to those. No more anti-venoms. So, let's see what we got. Oh, word. So this one has 5. And whoop, Amazing Spider-Man number 3. Nice. On that Spider-Man kick. Let's see. Next. Oh my God. True Believers Punisher. That's awesome. I bought 3 boxes for this grand prize also, for the original. For the 129. Can't wait. Whoop. Eve. That's pretty tight. I don't know who she is, man, but that looks pretty dope. By Top Cow Image. I'm down for that. Next. Oh! Oh my God. Deceased number 1 with Harley. Ah, oh, that's awesome. That is dope. That's freaking hot cover, man. I love it. Next. Savage Avengers number 1. I don't know who's on the cover of that, man. I kind of thought it was Elektra, but there's swords. I don't know, man. That's pretty dope. All right. Box mini dose. I almost bought this the other day, and I'm really glad I did now. Star number 1. That is awesome. Very cool. I think my local shop is selling it for like $6. That's awesome. Next. What? What is this? Oh, You're the Villain. Number 1. Dude, these are really good. The Dark Secret of Leviathan. Bowls. Next. Oh, dude. I've been wanting these so much. Just the covers on these are amazing. The Batman Who Laughs, number 5. I'm not selling these, man. These are awesome. I don't have to sell anything. That GP covers my cost of all the boxes I've bought. Literally. These are the number 3 and 4 boxes I've bought. I've bought 19 boxes in the last 6 weeks. 19 boxes in the last 6 weeks. What's up with this? Marauders, number... Oh, dude. Fucking A. These are all books I wanted to get anyway, man. Oh, crappily. Another X-Men Blue, which is totally fine. I don't care. Got a Doc Ock. And JPG. These bags, man, some of them are just shredded. I had one in my first box. It looked like Wolverine tried to claw his way out of it. It was awful. But anyway, that's what I got, man. If you're interested, this is a really cool book, man. This is really cool. If you're fans of Ghost Rider, this is a good story. And my dumb ass didn't even realize it was a one-shot. And I went to my comic book store and was like, put me down for the subscription for Mother of Demon. They're like, oh, that's a 1. It's like, okay, cool. Then just give me Ghost Rider, I guess. So, yeah, Mother of Demons is a really cool book. You should go out and get it. Like I said, I literally have 19 more boxes coming over, of course, of who knows when. Today is February 20th. I think I ordered these 2 boxes on January 13th. So they're running about 5 weeks. I skipped a week. And then I bought 3 boxes of the grand prize. That was Secret Wars number 8 with the 3 signatures on it. That was a CGC with Stan Lee. And then I bought 2 boxes of the first appearance of Punisher, Spider-Man 129. And then the grand prize was an Incredible Hulk 181. I bought 6 boxes of those. Yeah, I bought 6 boxes of that one. And then a couple other ones here and there. So I got plenty more boxes to do. If you want to see more, if you want to see the rest of what I got at some point, hit subscribe, like. Thanks, man. Thanks for watching. If you are, that's awesome. Thank you. If not, that's fine. This is my first video I've ever done. Hopefully I'll do more. Thanks, man. Peace out.